Hello everyone, I'm here at the intersection of Garrett Road and Chestnut Street in Upper Darby, a couple of blocks away from 69th Street, the main transport hub. The area has plenty of parking space and a lot of bar and restaurants. It's very convenient location. The parking lot you see across the street is for public parking. You could park there for a month under $100. And the building I would like to show you is this building, Minerva Court. Here to show you an apartment building on a second floor. It's a studio apartment. This is what the outside looks like. Very convenient location for public transport. You are only 3 blocks away from 69th Street, 69th Street station. This is the building. You have a gate. Going through the gate, we have this beautiful courtyard, very nice courtyard to have to come out and enjoy the breath of fresh air. Actually today is a beautiful day, so it's a nice day to be out. Nobody is here, but it's a nice space to have. There are multiple buildings here. After saying this about the common space, I will go upstairs to show you the unit. First, let's go downstairs and show you the laundry machines. The place has laundry machines. It's a dryer and washer. Here is your dryers. You got 4 dryer and 4 washing machine. It's coin operated. I mean, a card. You could use a card to pay for the laundry. It's you have to pay for the service. This is the basement for the laundry. I will go upstairs and show you what the unit looks like. Okay. Now just get in. Unit E101. This is a 1-bedroom apartment. You have this nice, beautiful living space, big in size. You have your windows looking out to the courtyard, and over there you have your kitchen. No power. The power has to be under the tenant's name, so there is no power. That's why it's a little bit dark here. But once you have a power, it will not be like this. So as you walk in, this is your living room. That is your front door. Here I come. You have your bathroom. It's a nice size bathroom. You have a window for fresh air. You have a bathtub shower combo. You have your toilet. You have your medicine cabinet with a mirror, sink. You also have storage closet. Nice size storage closet. One. You have a second one here. Boom. Second one. And this is your nice bedroom. And the bedroom is very big, as you could see. You have a window for a natural light, a radiator for the heat. And this is view from this angle. The bedroom is to the back of the building, so this is the alleyway. And this is what bedroom looks like. It's a first floor unit, 1 bedroom. It's a very nice, recently renovated bedroom. And the last place I would like to show you is your huge kitchen. It's big in space. You could set your dining table here, like you could use this as a breakfast area if you want. You have your cabinets. The oven is not here now, but they will put it in before the tenants moves in. And you have a door that takes you to the outside. If you like, you could go to the back of the building through this door. You have your gas oven in cooktop. You have your sink, cabinet on both sides, plenty of storage. You have your refrigerator, and as I said earlier, for the bedroom, it's the same. This door will lead you to the alleyway, to the back of the building. This is what unit E101 looks like. It's a beautiful apartment. I hope you like the video, you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Oh, before I let you go, I have the pantry here. Forgot to show you. So in the kitchen, you have your pantry with a shelf. I'm sorry, it's a little bit dark because no power here, but you have a nice pantry in the kitchen. You also have plenty of shelves. All right, thank you.